line now to see the Ann Curtis movie. The actress is Ann Curtis. She's a Filipino actress, and we saw her yesterday actually in person. We didn't get a chance to talk to her. I just met Hiroki Ryuichi, who is the director of Kabukicho Love Hotel. So I'm pretty excited about that. We're in line for the movie called The Gifted with Ann Curtis. And it's like an ugly duckling comedy, that's what they're calling it. You know, kind of like Ugly Betty, but there's like two girls, one that's overweight and one that's thin with glasses and braces, I think. And they're gonna become beautiful or discover that is not important or discover who they are, their inner confidence, I don't know. It's that kind of, comedy movie. And what's really great about this film festival is that, like, I get to meet Joe Hiroki, no, I got confused between Joe Hisashi and Ryuichi Hiroki because they look really similar. Have you ever noticed that? Joe Hisashi is a composer, a Japanese composer. Ryuichi Hiroki, I do have tickets to see his movie tomorrow, the Kabukicho Love Hotel. Now we're going to see The Gifted. Yesterday we saw Dragon Blade with Jackie Chan, and okay, so I'm going to review the movie now, I guess. It wasn't my favorite. The cinematography was amazing, and they actually went to the desert and filmed, and it was so beautiful. And so a lot of things were really good about it. But the story, I mean, the message of the movie was, of course, very positive and good. But I just wish there was more depth to it. So I felt that it just lacked. It was lacking in some things, but it was really good in other aspects, and the thing that they lacked most in was depth in the story. So just if they had done more with the plot, and some good actors and some not so good actors in it as well. So that's my review on the movie, and Jackie Chan is just so amazing and so nice. So was the director, and it was really interesting and fun to see them and record that for you. So I hope you liked it. So I'll let you know what I think of The Gifted with Ann Curtis, and the director is Chris Martinez. So I'll let you know what I think about that later, probably tomorrow. This week I'm pretty much at the film festival. Actually today they also had a cosplay contest, but I wasn't able to go there. They're doing all these different kinds of events as well, like cooking, how to make ramen, how to make sushi, so you can get like cooking lessons. You have to pay for them, and of course massages and information on, Chinese massage, Thai massage, just different kind of cultural things.
Nice to be back. Buonasera. Buona Festa della Liberazione. It's so nice to be back. I think this is my fourth or fifth time, and I'm always excited to visit this place. I miss all of you, your warm smiles, and your beautiful city. So thank you for having me again. Thank you for having our film. This year, I am with Miss Ann Curtis, who worked really hard for this film, as you will see later. And I really want her to attend this festival because I know this is going to be very memorable for her. And I hope she's enjoying. So, Anne?
Buonasera, mi chiamo Anne Curtis. Grazie, of course, to the Far East Film Festival for inviting me here. It's my very first time to attend an international film festival, and so far it's been such an amazing experience. Udine is so beautiful, so I've truly enjoyed seeing the quaint and beautiful town. And grazie again for inviting me, and I hope that you all enjoy the film. Ti amo to all the Madlang Filipinos who came out today. Ti amo Madlang Udine, grazie. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I hope you all like the film.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
For you. I'm sure, Chris, you worked hard for this movie, but for sure you got a lot of fun as well, right? Yes, I guess so. So enjoy this movie. It's a great comedy. And Curtis, thank you very much for coming on stage. And Chris,
Thank you
good
so
luck.
much. Enjoy, everybody.
E tra poco capiremo se il FEFF del titolo sarà per dire bellezza o grande genio e intelligenza. A voi il giudizio. Buona visione.
everybody.
Hindi makita. Selfie. Siyempre, ikaw na lang, Day. Ano, hindi. Ala?
Oh my God.
Kahir pa lang.
Okay, how do we take a selfie? Try. I got a picture with her even though it wasn't a very flattering one or the best one, but I got a picture with Anne Curtis. And then I left so that other people could, you know, get a picture of her or with her as well. So I'm out of the crowd, but the crowd is behind me over there. So other people are still back there trying to get a picture of Anne Curtis. I just saw her, I got a picture with her, and I left so that she could take a picture with other people and see other people, so, you know. And I don't know. She's still there with the director. So I saw the film The Gifted. The Gifted was probably my favoriteest film that I've seen at the film festival, at this Far East Film Festival, in the past 5 years. So I really did like the film. It was emotional, but it was really funny. I laughed a lot. And I think Enrico didn't like it as much as me. It was more my style. It's like if you liked Ugly Betty, then I think that you would like it too. And if you like kind of more light films, you know, that make you laugh, but it's really cute as well and really sweet as well. So anyways, those are the kind of films that I like. So I think they did work really hard on it as well, and I think they did a good job. That's my review on The Gifted, and I just took a picture with Anne Curtis. So happy about that, and I hope you enjoy it as well.